today is an action day. Portland chapter of Surfride, or the Friends of Cape Falcon Marine Reserve, state parks, and also the Explore Nature Partnership are out at Oswald West State Park. The goal is that we all work together to do land-based stewardship projects that will benefit the park, but will also benefit the beach and the Cape Falcon Marine Reserve, which is right offshore.
The pillow is interesting. There's a piece of a shoe and just a bunch of random things.
We put people to work all over the state park today on a beautiful sunny day, which is really awesome.
Welcome to Alder Creek Farm. Today's Earth Day is kind of the hallmark version of what we do all the time. This was the first property that the Lower Nehalem Community Trust acquired with the idea of returning it into its more natural state. One of the most important things we do is plant the riparian zone, which is the area immediately around water bodies. So it's an opportunity for the community to come out here and plant something. We're very pleased with the results of this project.
Explore nature. Experience the beauty of our healthy lands and water. Join the fun.